Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning block 21, which is beginning of settled life. That means before early humans were hunters and gatherers, and for that, as they were hunters and gatherers, they used to move from one place to another in search of food. Isn't it, children? So, they were also called as wanderers. Yes, and after they discovered that plants grow from the seeds, they started growing some crops and they started settling in one place. Isn't it, children? And and while they were farming, they want to have a land so that they can do farming, and from where they got by cutting down the trees of the forest. So to cut down the trees, they started changing their tools like stronger and sharper. Isn't it, children? So that's what we have learned till yesterday till the previous class. Now in the third topic we are going to learn the invention of wheels. Okay, so early humans used to walk or they used to ride on the animals like this. Okay, so please open your social content book, children, and turn to page number 132. So they used to ride on the animals or they used to walk. Okay, when and if they have to carry something, they used to carry on the animals or they used to carry on themselves. They used to lift and hold it and move. Isn't it, children? And when they were cutting down the trees to have place for farming, they used to cut down the trees with their sharper tools. Isn't it, children? And when they were cutting down the trees, the wood, they might have seen that round wood. After cutting down, it was rolling easily, it was moving by itself. Okay, so from that they have started making the wheels, and from that they made the cart. Can you see in your content book the picture, children, the cart? And with that, it was easier for them to move from one place to another or to carry the objects, especially the heavy objects. It was easy for them to pull. They kept the heavy objects in the cart and they used to pull it easily. Okay, so by the invention of wheel, it became easier for them to move from one place to another and also to carry heavy objects from one place to another. Okay, heavy things or heavy loads. Okay, so in that way, invention of wheel was easier and it helped them to move from one place to another or to carry things from one place to another. Okay, and after slowly again they might have made the potter's wheel. Do you remember potter's wheel? We used to do it in the pottery class. Sir used to do with the wheel, isn't it, children? We have saw it in the school. Yes, so they might have invented that also, by which they started making the pots with the clay. Okay, so in that way, this invention of wheel made many things easy for the early humans to carry the things, to make the pots from the clay. All things were easy. So by this invention, again, early humans lead a easy life. When they discovered fire also, isn't it, children? They started eating delicious food by cooking the food. Isn't it, children? The meat. Yes, in the same way, invention of wheel also made the early humans to carry things easy and also to make the pots. Okay, children, so this is our topic for today. And coming to your, did you know that early humans, when they started settling in one place, dogs were their first pets. Okay, dogs were the first kept as pet animals by early humans when they settled in one place. Okay, dogs were the first pet animals for the early humans. Okay, children, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork and underline in your content book. Okay, and if you want to include any other words which are difficult for you, you can include in your keywords. Okay, coming to your question answers. How did wheel help the early humans? So once the wheel was invented, they started using the carts so that they can carry the heavy loads from one place to another when they were traveling on the land, it became easier, isn't it, children? Later they invented the potter's wheel, which helped them to make the clay pots to store the things, isn't it, children? So write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, no, coming to your next question. How did early humans use pots for? How do we use pots today? We have already learned about pots, isn't it, children? Early humans used to use the pots for storing the food grains, filling it with water from the river, to carry the water from the river. So all these things, isn't it, children? And we use pots for many things, isn't it? For decoration we use, to grow the plants we use, for cooking, for serving, all these different things we have, isn't it, children? So you can include in that answer. Okay, write these two answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book. 2 pages you have, children, using the wheel. Okay, about the invention of the wheel, which is S3 in page number 27, and in page number 28, S4, changes over time. That means how early humans lead their life. What did they eat? What are we eating? What did they wear? What we are wearing now? Okay, how did they do their communication? All those things, the difference is here there. You need to write it down. Okay, children. So complete the work, children, and with this we have completed with our blog. So in the next class I'll meet you with a new blog, children. See you in the next class. Bye.